Welcome back to Flow and Slow Barbecue. Today I'm going to pimp the top vent of my kettle, exchange the rivet for a screw. Why? You'll see that in the video. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to drill out this rivet here and replace it with a screw. Why? Because it's gotten somewhat loose. Sometimes when I take off the lid and put it back on, my vent setting changed, so I want it to be tighter. And the second benefit is I can take it off and clean all the soot under there, which prevents it from closing all the way. Okay, let's do this. You can see there's quite a bit of carbon buildup in my grill, but today is cleaning day anyway. I'm going to get rid of this later. I want to do all the drilling because I'm doing another video today which involves drilling before I clean the grill, so it's all nice and set up. So here you can see the bottom side of the vent and the rivet. Now what you need is a 6mm drill or a 1/4 inch. It's gonna be noisy. Aim straight, protect your eyes, and work slowly. There! This is the top part of the rivet, which might be hot, so I'm not touching it. And now you see what I mean. This is right. I can now clean this properly and fit a new screw. I haven't cleaned it yet, but see, this screw fits nicely. It's a 6mm screw with a little washer and a nut. And on the other side, let's close this up. Now it's nice and tight. Awesome. And yes, next I have to clean it.